Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In these videos we're going to try to fix my microscope. You see, it's got the camera port moving a lot, you see, so we are going to try to fix it, right? I think I need to open it and see what's going on. I made some signs in here so I know where to put it. Okay, so I think I need to remove these screws, and the ones on the bottom in here. So to remove the handle, let's use this. Okay, so this is one. Let's put it to 45, and now let's remove the other handle as well. Okay. I couldn't find any videos around on what do I need to remove and not remove. I just hope that I still have a microscope by the end of this video. Okay, so this is just a normal screw. On this one, I'm just going to remove one side only, okay? Because my guess is that these two are linked together inside by a metal bar, and if I remove the two of them, it might be hard. Okay, this one. Okay, it's the first time I'm taking this apart. Okay, let's see. Or maybe not. Okay, so maybe I don't have to remove that. Okay, so it's coming up. I don't have to remove that. Okay. Okay, so here, you see you got in here the screw. Oh man, and the other one is on the other side. This is messed up, man. So let's see. This was... you see the metal bar like I told you. So if you have this, just only remove one side. So this has to come out something like this, huh? Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this looks to me like it was in here somewhere, huh? So it's only holding... You've got to be kidding me. This tiny screw is everything is holding this, or it's got another one. It's supposed to have another one, but it doesn't. Okay, so this one is missing. It's only having one, man. This is not good. What if I remove this one and put it in the other side as well? Let's see. I'm removing this one, and let's see if I can put this in here somehow. How? Okay, so let's put it like this, right? So if we put the second one as well that he was missing, you might hold it better, right? I'm not even sure if this is the correct position for it. But I'm going to okay. So now it's not moving, right? Now before we continue, let's test it. So if I put this, okay. Okay, so we got it in, okay. Now let's see. So now if I come with the camera, let me put the microscope in here, okay. And let's connect the camera, right? And let's see what's going on. Okay. So the good news is it is still working. Okay, let me put it all the way down. Okay, so it's still working. Now let's see the camera. You think it's the camera the problem? Okay. So I think we got it, right? What do you think? I think it looks okay. I'm not even gonna play with it anymore. Okay. I'm not even going to mess with it anymore. Okay, so now I have a straight. Obviously I can adjust this from here. Right. Okay. If I put it like this, is it going to work? Okay, it's working. So let's see. I've got a lot of light in there, but let me see, how can I do it? I think it has to be like this. Let's see. Okay. What about here? Okay, so I think it has to be something like this. Okay, so let's see. So this is like this. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I got a lot of light. That's because the case is open. Okay. But this will go something like this. I think like this. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I think it's decent. You know what? I'm not even gonna touch it anymore. Now let's remove the camera. Okay. And let's put it back together, right? Okay. Now let's see. What I want to do now, we want to dust it a little bit. Okay, so let's put the case back. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Now I want to put a couple of these screws. And I want to test it. One. Okay, so they're all in, right? Let's just make sure they're nice and tight. Now this one's in here. And then I have another one on the top in here. Let me see how I'm gonna put that one. Okay, nice and solid, right? No, it's like that. Now we have to put these little wheels in here, okay? Okay, like this, okay, 0.7. Now I'm gonna put this like this, 0.7. I'm gonna come with a key. It's the same key that we used before. In theory, that's it. And now let's put this one as well. Okay. Okay, now it's beautiful. You see? Now it's beautiful. This is okay. Now what about this one? This doesn't have any markings. So my guess is that we can put it where we want. Okay. But if we look in here, you see there are some markings in here where the screw was before. So I'm just going to put it more or less where it used to be, okay? Okay. Let's put all of the screws in here. We didn't touch those screws, but anyway, I think we got it. Let me clean it a little bit. Okay. Now let's put the camera in. Okay, the camera is in. Now let's put it back and hope for the best. Now look at this beautiful quality. What do you think? What do you think? Okay, so this was the video on how to fix your camera port on the microscope. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.